IDEA, or the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, is a law that has undergone many revisions. It was originally known as the Education for All Handicapped Children Act, which was passed in 1975. IDEA was reauthorized in 2004, and it has most recently been amended in 2015 and states that disability is a natural part of the human experience and in no way diminishes the right of individuals to participate in or contribute to society. The major provisions in IDEA are that each state must have a plan to ensure that students are identified, they're provided with a free and appropriate public education, the students are placed in the least restrictive environment, and each student has a written individualized education plan. One of the things that I have learned through the website is you can look at reports. The reports are broken down in different ways, but these are some of the ones that I downloaded and looked at. This report breaks it down by state and age range. Right here, we can see that in California, age 6 through 21, there are 683 students with disabilities, 91,000 of those being students with autism, the majority. Using this information, I can see that chances are in my classroom I have a higher chance of having students with autism or students with intellectual disabilities or emotional disturbances. With this information at hand, to focus on what my students in the future will possibly need. My resources can be found in the description to the video.